Hello, this is Cybergiant. Today I'm going to talk about Handbrake, an open source video transcoder. A trans a video transcoder is if your file's like, let's say, too big, right? And your video doesn't upload on YouTube. All you gotta do is download this. It only works on websites. Just say your data may be collected and distributed third parties. All you gotta do is hit the download button. It'll show up a picture of a pineapple and a pina colada or some tropical cocktail. And this is the file name you should look for, Handbrake 1.32. And it's available on Windows and Apple. The size is about 12.91. It'll tell you they'll have a signature, public key information just on the download section of the page. And I'll provide a link to the video. And let's dive in, see how it works. First thing you want to do is first open browser and then it'll tell you Handbrake. Okay. You chose like a video. I'm gonna choose this one for an example. You put it straight in. It takes about, first it scans the video. Then you'll have a title, a preset. You want 1080 pixels. You can choose which format for web video. You can do MP4, MKV, WebM. And then you hit the start encoder. It'll usually take about like, depending on the length of the video, it can take about 10 minutes to about 30 minutes or an hour, depend how much data. What it does is compress your video and shrink the files down to remove any decoding of like bugs in the program that can make the video very slow. And then it reduces the file size a bit, and then you can upload it back on YouTube on your video to make it easier. So you won't have to wait for like upload time, like let's say wait 1 hour, 30 minutes. Now it just chops it down to about like 5 to 20 minutes, depending on the length of video. And you can also preview it. They'll teach you like show you section by section, like scene by scene. And they have file, and you get to save it as well after it's finished. Presets, you can delete it, you can import a file, export a file. They won't add any watermarks to it. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you guys next time.